Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp profile link that works just like a group invite link. First open WhatsApp. Now type in https://api.whatsapp.com/send phone the phone number with the country code. The format of the URL is given in the description. Clicking the link will redirect to the profile in WhatsApp. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.